Hello! What's up? It's your El Maestro at nagbabalik na naman tayo ngayon para sa isa na namang informative video. Bago tayo magsimula ay nais ko muna kayong batiin ng isang magandang araw. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, wag mong kakalimutang mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos na aking i-upload sa mga susunod na araw. Sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro, ay tatalakayin natin ang kalalabas pa lang pong memo mula sa ating kagawaran, ang ating DepEd New Uniform Designs for 2021. So dito po ay makikita natin ano-ano nga ba ang mga designs na ating susuotin para sa mga teaching at non-teaching personnel ng DepEd. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Tara, umpisahan na natin! Alright, so magandang araw muli sa inyong mga maestro. So ito nga yung ating bagong-bago, no? Kabababa lang po na DepEd Memorandum number 0160 of 2021. No, binaba po ito nitong March 31, 2021. Ito po ay tungkol sa guidelines on the new DepEd National Uniform for Teaching and Non-Teaching Personnel. So dito mga kamaestro ay tatalakayin lamang po natin yung mga mahalagang bahagi ng ating DepEd Memorandum number 016-2021. Okay? So unang-una po, ito. The Department of Education announces the adoption of the 4 new sets of DepEd National Uniform Designs for Teaching and 2 new uniform designs for non-teaching personnel starting the transition period of the school year 2021-2022. Alright, so malino po dito na meron tayong bagong 4 na sets of school uniform for teaching personnel and then 2 new sets of national uniform naman for non-teaching personnel. Alright. In consideration with the current crisis brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic and the continuing implementation of the blended learning delivery and alternative working arrangements in the department, school year 2021-2022 shall be considered a transition period to allow ample time for employees to prepare and purchase new set of prescribed uniforms. To facilitate the transition period, employees can still wear their old uniforms this coming school year 2021-2022, but starting school year 2022-2023, all teaching and non-teaching personnel shall wear the prescribed new set of uniforms. So malinaw dito ka maestro, no, sa ating ikalawang bahagi ng ating DepEd memo na transition period lamang po ang school year 2021-2022 o itong parating na school year. So ibig sabihin hindi po tayo nire-required na magsuot ng ating bagong set of school uniform. Alright. Okay, so transition period po, ibig sabihin kapag pinapunta tayo o pinareport tayo ng ating mga school head na naka-uniform, we have a choice na suotin yung ating old uniform. Okay, kasi transition period pa lamang po yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na paki-receive natin ng ating clothing allowance this April ay magpapatahi na agad tayo at bibili ng ating bagong school uniform. It's your choice po mga kamaestro. Pero kung gusto mo namang bumili na, so walang problema. No, but for the coming school year 2022-2023, that is next school year pa, no, next school year pa, so we are required now to wear the prescribed school uniform. Ito pong bago na to. Alright. Only the approved national uniform shall be used for both teaching and non-teaching personnel. There shall be no, so malinaw po ito, there shall be no regional and school division uniforms as to have uniformity across all offices. So mala po tayong regional or school uniform or division uniforms. We only have our national uniform. Alright, no specific fabric will be prescribed for as long as the fabric used will follow the guidelines with the design set. So kahit ano pong klaseng fabric yan, wala tayong problema as long as na we follow the design, the color especially. Alright. Modification or adjustments on the prescribed uniforms, example long sleeves instead of short sleeves, skirts instead of pants for the female employees to conform with religious, social, and cultural requirements or any legitimate practice related thereto shall be allowed. So pwede po tayo mag-modify ng ating school uniform as long as na ito ay naka-align or naka-base sa ating cultural requirements. So wala po tayong problema doon. The following personnel are exempted from wearing the prescribed uniform. So ito naman po yung mga kasamahan natin sa kagawaran na exempted sila sa pagsusuot ng ating prescribed uniform. Number 1, the school officials who occupy third-level positions in the Career Executive Service or CES. Number 2, we have medical and dental staff who shall wear their profession's uniforms. The next is janitors, utility and maintenance personnel who shall wear appropriate working attire. And then we have the legal officers, lawyers, attorneys whose nature of work requires a different dress code. And we have teaching and non-teaching personnel with physical disabilities and other legitimate health reasons. And then we have pregnant employees who shall wear maternity dresses during their period of pregnancy. And last but not the least is teaching and non-teaching personnel who are in mourning may wear the appropriate mourning clothes. Alright, and then here are now the prescribed new set of DepEd national uniform for teaching and non-teaching personnel. So, papakita ko na sa inyo, no, mga kamaestro, yung ating bagong disenyo. Ayan. Okay, so first we have Design A for teaching female. Ito po yung Monday uniform ng ating mga kasamahang teacher na babae. So, ito po ay para kila ma'am. Alright. So, ito po yung description niya. Blouse is olive green with secret pockets. Embroidery, we have turquoise and pink combination with dark gray piping. Zipper option, we have back and side, and then the pants is charcoal gray. So ito ka maestro, no? Charcoal gray yung pants. And then we have secret pockets here sa bandang harap. Alright. And then we have the color of this is dark gray. So ito po is dark gray sa may secret pocket niya, yung parang lining dyan. And then the embroidery naman is turquoise and pink. So ito po. So yan, so turquoise and pink. Alright, and then the zipper, we have two option, pwede sa back or pwede sa side. And then back button, ayan, meron siya. And then we have this, the neckline. Alright. Next, we have Design A for teaching male. So ito po ay para sa mga kamaestro natin na mga lalaki, para kila sir, para sa atin, no? Alright, so here is the description. We have polo is moss green, embroidery is olive green with dark green army combination, and then the pants is charcoal gray. So charcoal gray ang ating pangapantalon, mga kamaestro. And then the polo is moss green, ayan. And then the embroidery is olive and dark army green. So ito yung embroidery niya, ayan. So ito po yon is olive and dark army green. And then full button po tayo, no? Ayan, so full button. So yan po yung ating Monday uniform, mga kamaestro. Next we have Design B for teaching female. So ito po yung ating Tuesday uniform ng ating mga kasamahang female para kila ma'am. Right, the description, blouse is light clay and sapphire with midnight weave and dark clay on bib accent. And then, zipper option, we have back and side. And then pants is midnight blue. So midnight blue ang ating pong mga pants, mga ma'am. Alright. And then, ito po yung neckline niya. Ayan. And then, ito po, itong part na to, ang color niyan is sapphire with midnight weave. Ito po yan. And then, light clay, yung majority ng ating blouse. Ayan. Light clay tayo. And then, dark clay. Ito po yung ating dark clay. Ayan, ito to. Itong part na to. Ayan, ito po yung dark clay. And then, for zipper, we have option A, pwede sa likod. And then, option B, pwede sa side. And then, ito yung back button natin. Alright. Next, we have Tuesday uniform for teaching, Design B, para sa ating mga lalaki naman. Para ulit sa atin to mga sir. Alright. Polo is crystal teal in full buttons. Embroidery is white. While the pants naman is midnight blue. So, midnight blue ang ating mga pantalon, mga kamaestro. And then, the majority of our polo is crystal teal. Ito. And then, the embroidery is white. So, ito po yung white. Ito yan. Ito po yung white natin. Ayan. And then, full button. Yan. Yan po ating Tuesday uniform. Next, we have Design C for female naman. Kila ma'am ulit, ating Wednesday uniform. Light gray pattern with combination of walnut on the side embroidery, walnut and charcoal gray. And then the pants is charcoal gray. Alright. So ito po yan, no? Charcoal gray yung pants natin, mga ma'am. And then, Majority of our blouse is light gray pattern. Ito po yun, light gray pattern. And then, ito pong part na to, ayan, sa may baba ng ating sleeve. And then, sa may side, we have walnut, ang color niyan. And then, embroidery. Ito yung embroidery niya is walnut and charcoal gray. Ayan. Alright. Ayan. So, concealed buttons. Ayan po yung harap niya. Okay. So, wala tayong back button. Alright. Next. For male naman, para ulit sa atin to, mga kamaestro, mga sir. Wednesday uniform natin. Polo is light brown in half buttons. Embroidery is white while the pants is charcoal gray. Okay. So, ito po yung kauna-unahan natin na half buttons. Ayan. So, half button siya. Light brown, ang ating pinaka-polo. And then, embroidery. Ayan, ang embroidery natin is white. So, itong part na to, ayan, sa may harap natin, sa may chest natin, embroidery is color white. So, half button ulit. Alright. Next, design D. Ito yung ating pinakahuling uniform for female, para kila ma'am ulit. Tuesday or Thursday uniform. Blouse is light blue with eggshell speckled pattern on bib with dark and light blue stripes with midnight blue piping. And then the pants is midnight blue. So midnight blue yung ating pants. Ayan mga ma'am, no? Okay? And then itong majority ng ating blouse is light blue with eggshell speckled pattern. So yan, so maganda yung ating Thursday uniform mga ma'am. All right. And then yung stripe naman yan is dark and light blue. Ito yung ating stripe. Dark and light blue po yan. Alternate siguro yan. Alright. Ito. And then, ang piping niya is midnight blue. Okay. So, midnight blue. Ito. Ayan. Alright. Next, we have our last uniform for male. Para ulit sa atin to mga sir. Ating Thursday uniform, we have polo, light blue with eggshell speckled pattern. So, pareho tayo kila ma'am. No? Eggshell speckled pattern. Chest accent with dark and light blue stripes with midnight blue piping. And then the pants is midnight blue. Ayan, so medyo maganda rin yung ating Thursday uniform. So full button ulit siya. Ayan. Light blue and with eggshell speckled pattern. And then yung ating stripe naman is dark and light blue. Alright, so alam mo yung stripe, ito po yun mga kamaestro. Ayan. So it is dark and light blue. And then yung piping niya, ito. Yung ating piping is midnight blue. Ayan, so midnight blue po yan. Same with dito sa ilalim ng ating collar. So, midnight blue. Alright. The prescribed new set of DepEd National Uniform for non-teaching personnel shall be as follows. So, ito naman po yung para sa ating mga kasamahan sa non-teaching. Alright. So, design E for non-teaching females para sa ating mga kasamahan na babae para kila ma'am sa non-teaching. So, Mondays and Wednesdays ay isa lamang po ang ating uniform. Okay? So, pareho lang po yon. Blouse is black and tortilla print, neckline, piping, and lining in tortilla and black. Zipper option is back or pwede rin sa side. And then your pants is black. Ayan po yun ka maestro. Ay, maganda, no? Alright. So, ayan po. Itong color nito is tortilla. Yung kabuuan ng ating blouse. Ayan. Alright. And then yung piping niya is black. Ayan. Ito yung piping niya. Black yan. Alright. Then, the zipper naman, we have two options again, back and side. Ayan. Zoom in, piping, and lining details. Ayan po yung zoom in niya. Itong pinakailalim na to, itong part na to. Ayan po. Back button, we have the neckline. Ito po yung neckline natin. Alright. Next, para naman kila sir, sa non-teaching, Mondays and Wednesdays. Polo is earth tone, beige, and fold buttons. Embroidery is tortilla, light gray, and brand combination. The pants is black. So, ang pants nyo mga sir sa non-teaching is black. Ayan, earth tone beige ang ating polo. Earth tone beige. And then black, ito, full button. Ito po yung ating embroidery. Ayan, maganda. Ayan, yung ating Wednesday and Monday uniform. Next, we have design F for Tuesdays and Thursdays para kila ma'am sa non-teaching personnel. Blouse is light and dark gray combination with piping and lining. Option or zipper option is back or side. And then the pants is dark gray. Ayan po mga kamaestro. So dark gray. Ayan. So we have here the piping stitch or piping and stitch. Ayan. Zipper is either back or sides. Ayan po. Ito po yung zoom in niya. Tingnan nyo na lang po dyan kamaestro. And then we have here the back button. Ayan. Alright, so mayroon siyang packet dito sa part nito. Ito po yung coat, if optional, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng coat. Ito po yung design para sa coat. So, light gray and dark gray. Ayan. Alright. Next, para kina sirs ng teaching personnel, Tuesdays and Thursday uniform. Polo is snow white. Wow, maganda. Snow white in full buttons, embroidery, light gray, red, and dark gray combination. Ayan. And then the pants is dark gray. Ayan. So, dark gray ang mga pants nyo, mga sir. So, dark gray. And then, ang kanyang polo is snow white. Wow, maganda. Snow white. And then, ang kanyang embroidery is dark or light gray and dark gray. Ayan. Tatlo po ang embroidery color niya. Light gray, ito. We have the dark gray, ito. And then, we have the red. Ayan. Ito yung red niya. Alright. And then, naka-full button. Alright. So, ito po yung ating pinakahuli na design ng ating school uniform for non-teaching personnel. Alright. So, ito po yung mga karagdagan na nilalaman ng ating memo. Ayan. Wearing a blazer or coat is optional. So, optional lamang po yun. Appropriate office clothes may be worn on uniform-free Friday. So, we have wash day, uniform-free every Friday. So, sa Friday po ay we are free to wear our best or our favorite na polo or favorite na damit, no? Pag Friday, alright? Basta ito ay decent naman, no? Formal or something like that. Alright, and then based on the provisions, the design and sketches with color specification of the DepEd National Uniform are enclosed for reference. The annual clothing and uniform allowance in the amount of 6,000 or whichever amount shall be appropriated in the succeeding budget years for this purpose shall be released to all eligible personnel not earlier than the first working day of April. So malapit na ito mga kamaestro, no? Of the current year, subject to existing accounting and auditing rules and regulations, and upon the checking of the notice of cash allocation from DVM. Alright, so signed by none other than our DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtolis Briones. Alright, so dito na nagtatapos mga kamaestro ang ating talakayan patungkol sa ating bagong DepEd National Uniform Force 2021. So sana po mga kamaestro ay mayroon kayong mga nakuhang informasyon. Kung mayroon kayong mga katanungan, free po kayo na mag-comment sa ating comment section. So maraming salamat po ulit. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!